Hello guys, today I would like to share with you guys the easiest way on how to change your FB page title. Before I start this, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get to it. If you want to change your title, you do not need to access to this FB app. So you need to go to your browser, click your browser, type FB, log in to your FB, go to your menu, choose your page, click more, click this edit page, click change page name, okay, from here on you can change your page title. Click continue. Then you have it. I hope this will help you guys. If you have any problem with it, if you have any question you want to ask me, just comment down below. And I see you guys next time. Okay, bye.